Welcome to Body Make and Health Management channel. In today's video we will uncover the truth behind spot reduction. Can you really target fat loss in specific areas? Let's dive in and find out. We've all been there. You look in the mirror and wish you could just wave a magic wand to make the fat disappear from a specific area of your body. It's a common desire and you're definitely not alone in feeling this way. You want to lose fat in a specific area. Maybe it's your belly that you want to flatten, your thighs that you want to slim down, or your arms that you want to tone up. These are common trouble spots for many people, and it's easy to get frustrated when you don't see the results you want in these areas. You might be tempted to try exercises that claim to target those areas. Crunches for your belly, leg lifts for your thighs, or tricep dips for your arms. It seems logical, right? Work the muscle in the area where you want to lose fat. But can you really choose where you lose fat? This question has puzzled fitness enthusiasts for years. The idea that you can target fat loss in specific areas is known as spot reduction. This is the idea of spot reduction, and I'm here to tell you the truth. It's a myth. Despite what many fitness programs and products might claim, you can't control where your body loses fat. In this video, we'll explore the myth of spot reduction, what people think it is, and how our bodies actually burn fat. We'll also provide real-life examples and tips for a healthier you. Let's dive into the science of fat loss together, and uncover the best strategies for achieving real results. Fat loss happens throughout the entire body, and it's influenced by factors like genetics, diet, and overall activity level. Get ready to feel empowered to make informed decisions about your fitness journey. By understanding how fat loss really works, you can set realistic goals and create a plan that leads to lasting success. Let's get started. Chapter 1: What people think it is. Spot reduction is the idea that you can target fat loss in specific areas of your body. This concept has been popularized by countless fitness magazines, online articles, and even some trainers who promise quick fixes. The allure of being able to lose fat from just your belly, thighs, or arms without affecting the rest of your body is strong. After all, who wouldn't want to just do a few exercises and see immediate results in their problem areas? Think about crunches to lose belly fat or tricep extensions to tone your arms. These exercises are often marketed as the ultimate solution to target those stubborn fat deposits. You might see people in the gym doing endless sets of crunches, hoping to reveal a six-pack, or performing countless tricep extensions to get rid of arm flab. While these exercises strengthen specific muscles, they don't burn fat in those areas directly. The truth is, when you exercise, your body doesn't just pull energy from the fat stores closest to the working muscles. Instead, it draws from fat reserves throughout your entire body. So, while you might be building muscle in your abs or arms, the fat covering those muscles won't necessarily decrease just because you're working those areas. People often fall into the trap of thinking that working a muscle will magically melt away the fat around it. This misconception can lead to frustration and disappointment when the desired results aren't achieved. You might find yourself wondering why, despite all your hard work, the fat on your belly or arms isn't budging. It's easy to get discouraged and feel like you're doing something wrong. Imagine trying to empty a swimming pool with a small bucket, focusing only on one area. No matter how much effort you put into scooping water from one corner, the overall water level won't significantly change. This is similar to how spot reduction works, or rather, doesn't work. You can't just target one area and expect to see a major difference. It doesn't work that way. To effectively drain the pool, or lose fat, you need a more comprehensive approach. This means incorporating a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and a balanced diet. By focusing on overall fitness and health, you'll gradually see changes in your body composition. Remember, patience and consistency are key. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that promotes overall well-being, rather than seeking quick fixes. Chapter 2: How our bodies actually burn fat. Our bodies store fat as energy reserves. When we burn more calories than we consume, our bodies tap into these reserves for fuel. This process, called lipolysis, breaks down fat into usable energy. Here's the key: your body decides where it takes fat from, not you. It's like withdrawing money from a bank account. You can't tell the bank which specific bills to take out. Similarly, you can't dictate where your body burns fat from. It's a systemic process. Chapter 3: Why it seems to work. You might be thinking, but I've tried targeted exercises and seen results. While you might notice some muscle definition in those areas, it doesn't mean you're burning fat there. As you exercise a specific muscle group, it gets stronger and might appear more toned. However, this is often due to increased blood flow and muscle engagement, not direct fat reduction. True fat loss is revealed when you shed fat across your entire body, revealing a leaner physique overall. Chapter 4: Full Body Workout Routines. Step 1 to effective fat loss: full body workout routines. Full body workouts are an excellent way to maximize your time in the gym and achieve comprehensive fitness results. These routines are designed to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a balanced approach to strength and cardio training. The most effective way to burn fat is through a combination of full body workouts and a healthy diet. When you pair these workouts with nutritious meals, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates fat loss and enhances overall health. Think of it as fueling your body with the right nutrients to perform at its best. Full body workouts like burpees, squats, and lunges engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them incredibly efficient. These exercises not only build strength but also improve cardiovascular fitness, flexibility, and coordination. By incorporating a variety of movements, you ensure that no muscle group is left behind, burning more calories and boosting your metabolism. The intensity of these workouts elevates your heart rate, leading to a higher calorie burn both during and after your exercise session. This afterburn effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, keeps your metabolism revved up for hours. Think of your body as a machine. The more efficiently it runs, the better your performance and results. Regular full-body workouts keep all parts of this machine well-oiled and functioning optimally. This holistic approach ensures that you build a strong, balanced physique. The more muscles you use, the more energy or calories you burn, leading to faster fat loss. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective in this regard, as it combines short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest, maximizing calorie expenditure in a short amount of time, leading to faster fat loss. Tracking your progress with tools like fitness trackers can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated. Seeing tangible results such as weight loss and improved muscle tone reinforces the effectiveness of your efforts. Don't shy away from challenging yourself with different exercises. Pushing your limits helps you break through plateaus and achieve new levels of fitness. Working with a personal trainer can provide guidance and ensure that you perform exercises correctly and safely. Variety keeps your workouts fun and prevents plateaus. Mixing up your routine with different exercises and settings keeps things interesting and engages different muscle groups. This not only prevents boredom but also ensures continuous progress and adaptation. Chapter 5: Building Muscle Burns Fat. Step 2 to effective fat loss: building muscle burns fat. Strength training is your secret weapon for sustainable fat loss. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. It's like having a calorie-burning furnace working for you 24/7. Incorporate exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups into your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week to reap the amazing benefits of a strong, healthy body. Chapter 6: Fueling your body for results. Step 3 to effective fat loss: fueling your body for results. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in your fat loss journey. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally, build muscle, and burn fat. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. It helps curb cravings and keeps your body running smoothly. Chapter 7: Real-life examples of fat loss. Busting the myth: real-life examples of fat loss. Think of marathon runners. They run miles and miles working their legs tirelessly. Yet they often have lean physiques overall, not just skinny legs. This is because their training focuses on overall fitness, leading to fat loss throughout their entire body. Remember, you can't control where your body loses fat. Focus on building a strong and healthy body through a balanced approach to fitness and nutrition. The results will speak for themselves. Chapter 8: Your Path to a Healthier You. Embrace the journey, your path to a healthier you. So there you have it. Spot reduction is a myth, but don't let that discourage you. Embrace the journey of building a healthier, stronger you through sustainable methods. Focus on full-body workouts, strength training, and a balanced diet. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your goals. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Making Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.